Hey everybody, it's Batir, and today I'm super excited to unveil two of my favorite and custom GPTs that I've been working on since mid-November 2023. I've always loved learning languages, but like many of you, my schedule is super packed. That's why I created Charlotte Turing Liu and Alexei Robovich, my custom GPTs to help out not just me, but anyone else who's looking to ace language exams without the stress. 对啊，我想语言很有了，和美国人应该知道的重要. I currently work with Charlotte Turing Liu, note the name, with daily lesson prep. While I'm using her to study for a specific 汉语水平考试 or HSK Chinese level exam, she's been fine-tuned to be flexible for designing plans and daily lessons for all HSK exams. She's definitely not perfect, and she definitely hallucinates on occasion when you ask her about stroke order or to generate pictures of Chinese characters as of 15 January 2024. But the general content is relatively solid and has been super helpful thus far. On another hand, I've also been learning Russian for a while at a little bit more advanced level. For this Eastern European challenge, I worked with my guy, Alexei Robovich, to add some structure and fit Russian learning into my daily schedule. Я создал эти GPT, чтобы сделать изучение языков удобным, а также соответствовать вашему расписанию, так что у вас нет оправданий. This guy knows his stuff, and you can ask him to teach you grammar, vocabulary, and create a few example sentences to really capture how to use your growing vocabulary. Now, what I love about these GPTs is how they fit into my shifting schedule. They can understand my learning style, adapt to it, and keep me motivated. Now, the best part? I want you to experience this too. We're still in early days, but I'd love for you to share your feedback and suggestions because they're not perfect, but they're out there for you to work with. Whether you're also into prepping for an exam like the DLPT or the HSK, or you just love languages, Charlotte and Alexei are here to make your journey exciting and effective. This is Batir, and to start using my GPTs, just visit the link in this video and leave your comments. Maybe we can become conversation buddies and practice together. See you on the other side of fluency.